brains are exhausted. You know, if you think you're on your screen, there's a lot of information coming in really quick and we're scrolling and our brain just can't keep up processing it all. You know, we have a human brain, we don't have a machine in there. So the way you know it's actually affecting you is if, say, you're scrolling social media for 30 minutes, right? At the end of the day, someone says to you, what did you see on social media when you're on? You go, I actually really don't know, because your brain didn't get a chance to process all that information and bed it down so that you remember. So it just becomes a bit of a blur, and then the more we do it, the more it spills into other parts of our life. So our memories are also really...
the first thing you grab when you wake up in the morning, because for most of it is.
It is, and often the last thing we reach for at night. So there's a couple of things driving that. One is FOMO, fear of missing out. For us as Australians, fear of missing out of work, and then a habit. So, you know, we work really long hours in Australia compared to a lot of countries. So those last minute reaches or those first minute reaches are often about, well, I just better check my work emails, make sure my shifts change, any kind of last minute information I need to know about work. And the more we do that, the more it just becomes part of our routine. Hop into bed, check your phone, go to sleep. So it becomes this. Going cold turkey is really hard. You need to think about replacing. So say you get home every day, you think, oh, I'm just going to go on the couch and scroll, just 10 minutes of relaxing. You're really looking forward to it during the day. So instead of scrolling on your phone, set up something else that you might enjoy, that might be pleasurable. It's not on your phone. Buy a new flavour of tea and sit on the veranda and watch a sunset, you know. It's just something different. 10 minutes and then you can go back onto your phone.